Well, last fall, voters restored abortion rights in Missouri, but just yesterday, state lawmakers approved putting another ban on the ballot.
KMBC 9's Krista Tatchell is getting answers tonight. She's live at Planned Parenthood on Emanuel Cleaver Boulevard in Kansas City, Missouri. Krista, Amendment 3 just passed in November.
Yeah, it did. It passed by a 51% majority vote. And now voters will have to go back to the ballot box and cast another vote about this issue in November 2026.
Should the government of Missouri be in the abortion business? I would say absolutely not.
Missouri senators voted Wednesday to put abortion on the ballot again. They say this time with exceptions. Those exceptions are
allowing for the rape and incest exceptions. And I think that's what people were looking for.
As well as limiting abortion access to 12 weeks. Abortions are currently legal up to 24 weeks or 6 months under Amendment 3. Medicine abortions aren't legal in Missouri.
It is the best example, I think, of a wolf in sheep's clothing. Look at this, feel like you're doing something good, but at the same time, you are giving away your rights. That's what the legislature is trying to do.
Planned Parenthood is ready to mount another campaign to inform voters of their options. Lawmakers say they will too.
From constituents and individuals that I've been talking to about this issue, they want another opportunity to weigh in on this. They don't feel like that they were given an option in Amendment 3 that accurately reflects who they are and where they are on the life issue.
It is going to be confusing, but the good thing is Missourians, in my view, are smarter than the legislature seems to think they are. We think they understood what they were voting for when they read Amendment 3. The language was written in a careful way to create constitutional protections for abortion access. And we're going to explain to them what's at stake and why voting no ensures that the Constitution remains as it is today.
And Emily Wales, the president of Planned Parenthood Great Plains that you just saw speaking there, I asked when that campaign would start to inform voters, and she said soon. They are ready to start, and lawmakers also. They're ready to inform voters about the language in this resolution that will be on the ballot. Also, Planned Parenthood has a lawsuit concerning the accessibility of medication or medicine abortion that is not legal at this time. That trial will begin in January 2026. We're live in Kansas City. Krista Tatchell, KMBC 9 News.
All right, Krista, thanks. Again, the election will be next year, but Governor Kehoe could make it sooner by calling for a special election.